Hi guys, Cameron from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries here, and today we're here to talk about the Masterbuilt range of gravity-fed smokers. Now, if you're not aware of a gravity-fed smoker, this would be a good little video just to give you an idea of how they work. We all know what an offset or a kettle does. These are a little different, a little more hands-off, okay? Charcoal straight in the top. Hopper carries around 4.5 kilos, give you close to an 8-hour cook, obviously dependent on how long and how high you actually want to cook. Best method is to scatter lumps of charcoal and lumps of timber through the hopper. It'll give you the best result as far as smoke flavour. It uses a fan system to help regulate that temperature, so you're not having to run around adjusting jets and vents all day long. Okay, it essentially does it for you. All the app connectivity is either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Okay, so you can either be near the machine using your Bluetooth system or connect it to your router. It gives you all the logs. Capacity up to 4 probes for the meats that you put in. Okay, so you can track several different proteins all at once, keeping it relatively simple for you. Necessary, obviously, alarm alerts and the like. The big 1050 does come with a fold-up shelf, as does the 800. The 560 does not. Smaller capacity unit, designed to be just a lot more compact and a smaller footprint for you. Otherwise, quite a simple unit to operate. Very little practice required. Nice result. Come in and check it out, guys.